Hey everyone, welcome back to the most awaited video. In this video, I'll share the exact questions they asked me to get selected for SP Role interview, along with my personal interview experience. Plus, I gathered questions asked to 4 other candidates as well. So let's start with the first coding round. I appeared for the test on 13th July 2025. These are the questions asked to me. I was able to solve 2 of them and I got shortlisted mail on 28th July 2025 and my interview was scheduled for 10th September 2025 at CVIT College, Hyderabad. First, there was a coding round. I was asked 2 questions and we need to solve only 1 out of 2. After solving, they asked me about my approach and how I handle time complexity. I explained my logic clearly and they seemed happy with my explanation. Next, they went through my resume and asked me to tell about cloud computing, S3, EC2, what's the difference between Git and GitHub, what is CNN and what is its use, what is DOM. I answered all of them confidently. Then came SQL, left versus right join. I even had to draw the result table on the paper. Lastly, they asked me to explain the problem logic that I have shown on the screen. I just explained my approach and I wasn't asked to write the full code. Now let's look at questions faced by other 4 candidates. Candidate 1, he was asked these questions, and coming to his coding part, he was asked to solve these 2 coding questions. Coming to candidate 2, she was given an interesting array problem. Whenever a number repeats, we need to replace the middle occurrence of that number with the count of how many times it has repeated. She solved it and was asked to explain the logic she used. In addition, they gave her a SQL question that I've shown on the screen. Candidate 3, she was also given the same coding questions that I got, and in her interview she mentioned that she is very good at SQL, so they asked her to write 2-3 SQL queries. The first one was to find the second largest salary among employees. The second was to written all the entries from last 30 days. And she was asked some questions about her project. Finally, candidate 4 was asked 1 question based on strings and the second was based on graphs, but unfortunately he didn't understand any of them. Apart from coding, they asked him about React.js and Java, exactly the technologies that he has mentioned in his resume. My key advice from this is always be prepared to answer the questions about the skills you listed in your resume. That's it from my side. Drop a comment if you have any other doubts. Thanks for watching. All the best for your interview. Bye.